Hello everyone. Welcome to another explanation video. This video is about the URLs. Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel.
Okay, what are these URLs?
The word URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. As we know, the internet is made up of millions of pages of information. To access these pages, you need an address. Each web page has a unique address called the URL. A web browser uses the URL of a web page to retrieve from the computer which it resides. A URL is divided into 6 parts, where each part gives particular information about the web page. Examples: www.youtube.com, www.wikipedia.com, www.facebook.com. Let's inspect syntax of URL deeply. Protocol, domain name, port number, directory path, object name. As an example, let's take the URL of our channel. It can be included into 6 parts of URL as showed in the table. Okay, let's understand each part of URL one by one. Protocol represent the name of the protocol, that is, rules to be followed to access the data that is residing on the World Wide Web. Domain name represents the name of the web server where the desired web page or other resource resides. Directory path represents the location of the web page in the web server's file system. Object name specifies the actual name of the file or the document for the desired web page or the name of the other resource required. Hope you all learned something new. Thanks for watching. Please share this content among others.